suspension is not good enough, Sushil ji, because you're also an advocate, you know about this, and Ranjana ji would agree. You know, the kind of action that you have seen in Bengal, the kind of action you have seen in Badlapur today, and I'm not comparing the two instances, Ranjana ji, but you look at this, a 3-year-old is not safe in his or her school, and a 31-year-old is neither safe in her workplace. So what should women do? What should kids do? Stop stepping out?
You are asking me?
Ranjana ji.
This story is unfolding from 2012 and much before. Yeah, I think this kind of a horrendous story where, you know, bodies are smothered, you know, the both legs are pulled to side, pelvic bone fractures, you know, not only that, the kind of, you know, they have to go through this rape and, you know, brutal. I don't know, I'm losing my words when I'm speaking every time about this whole case. I think it's important to understand from 2012 till now, how many Nirbhayas, they say Nirbhaya 2, Nirbhaya 3, Nirbhaya 1,000.
Exactly.
You know, that's what is happening at the moment. And look at the other side. There is a political slugfest. Each government blames the other government. And also 133,000 cases, according to one of the studies, are pending of rape in the courts of the country. So they all know that they can get away with, and there is huge amount of impunity, because whether it is these kind of cases, and as you know, you did mention, I'm thankful to you for mentioning how 4 nights we were under that chilling cold on India Gate, demanding justice for Nirbhaya. Until date, you know, one after the other, things are going bad to worse. Nobody takes responsibility. There's a lot of rhetoric about it. There's a lot of, you know, punish the perpetrators of this crime. Such small girls we are pained to see this rape. Why don't they do anything? Why these governments are not making up to call? Why not? If we are not safe in our workplaces, as you rightly said, doctor is not safe inside the hospital premises. A child is not safe in school. Then where is safety for women in this country? And how many really rapists have been punished, I want to know. Except symbolic punishment here and there, Nirbhaya's perpetrators were hanged. And after that, there is one more punishment which was severe. Where is the punishment? Where are these people going? And when today, I am very happy the Supreme Court has taken suo moto. They have constituted a committee, but there is already a law pending in the parliament. Why don't they pass the law for the safety of the doctors? Why are they not doing it? And also that why so many cases are pending? Why doesn't Supreme Court announces special courts to deal with these cases and dispense out with justice? Justice has to be delivered. Justice has to be seen to be delivered.
Absolutely.
You cannot just talk about justice in vacuum. Girls little children are suffering. I mean, can they imagine? These men will never ever imagine what kind of a feeling we all women go through. It's such a anger. We are just boiling with anger. Our blood is boiling with anger. One after the other cases keep unfolding.
Absolutely.
And nobody is making up to the call, let me tell you. Even when Supreme Court is coming up with this, they should get reviewed. Yes.
And there is a story in these images right now, remember, that are playing on our screens. I just want our team to play those images again. You see them on the right. You know, the first image is coming in from Kolkata and the extreme right image is from Badlapur. If you look at these two images, what is common? The common is the anger. The common is the disgust. The common thing that, gets everyone together now is the outrage. It is that netas, the system, everyone has failed us. Anuja, everyone has failed us. This is why you have citizens who have to step out to be heard. Had this protest not happened in Badlapur in Maharashtra, Anuja, we would have not been talking about it at all. So, Anuja, why don't you respond to this, very pertinent point that Ranjana ji also raises? It's okay, and you must raise questions at Mamata Banerjee. But obviously, you're not imposing president's rule there. I do not know why that is not happening if you believe that Mamata has failed. In Maharashtra, you have a similar story. These are kids who were in school, Anuja. And even there, the police is not willing to lodge an FIR until these protests happen. What is going wrong?
Hey, Sriram. Deepti, your concern is genuine. The outrage, the protest is genuine. I am not here to corner one from other. Girl is a girl, woman is a woman, raped, victims of crime. It is for everyone in any of the states. It is today in my states, it is in Kolkata. The only difference which was being shown in our state was on that ground. What Eknath Shinde ji has said, what the Home Minister has done, I know the police officer has delayed the FIR for 12 hours, which is pathetic, yes. And we have taken the cognizance on that. We have definitely, as you know, that we have transferred him. But
no, why have you transferred him? I don't understand. Why do we
I-
need such people who cannot even follow the system? Anuja, why are these people sacked?
That is what I'm saying. I think one of your panelists has already said that. When there is a system, you just can't sack somebody.
No, when it comes
or
to
I can
us, you will show
apply-
us the system. Can you tell me what happened with Ram Rahim? Haryana elections are here. He gets furlough after furlough after furlough after furlough. And then again, you will say, oh, it's the courts that have decided to do this. If you today ensure that people like Ram Rahim do not step out of the jail, you know, Anuja, a very powerful government led by Narendra Modi can do that. Take a step.
The criminal laws has been changed. The BNS has come up with a death penalty for the children in the POCSO Act. What we are talking is about the will of the politics. We are political people, but with will. We are not the people who shy away. And I am sitting
Then
here,
I will
not
take the
running.
name of Brij Bhushan. I will take the name of Brij Bhushan if you remember. Very, very serious
Please.
charges even against him. He's still
Please
a part
do
of
that.
the BJP.
Please do that. Brij Bhushan, the act has all. Do you anywhere tell us that the advocate from the BJP ever advocated in the courts in favor of it? Did we do that?
Anuja, you must
we do-
walk
did
the
we do
talk.
that?
You must walk
Did
the
we do
talk.
that? That is
Every
what I'm
neta,
saying. Did
every
we do
neta
that?
today,
Did we
Anuja,
do
has
that?
failed us. That is the
Please,
problem.
We have not failed anybody. We have been standing there